Hey, it's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group, powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are in North Mesa today. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 6650 East Ensenada Street in Mesa, Arizona.
All right, before heading inside this house, Kevin, I know you wanted to share with them a date night.
Yeah, if everybody's hungry and likes to fly, let's go show them.
Just a few miles away from the house is a very unique, locally owned restaurant. Kevin, where are we at?
We are at Steak and Stone, Steakhouse and Barbecue.
Now, why is this so unique in regards to how they cook the food, and why is the experience so unique?
It is definitely an experience how they do cook it. Their tagline is artisan cuts of meat served on a 500-degree stone. Now, what I liked about it, because I've been here before, is that your steak never gets cold. It's literally sitting on this 500-degree stone, and you're just cutting it, cooking it to your temperature all the way through the meal. It's a fun experience.
All right, now putting the cherry on top of this experience, why is it even more unique?
Well, they have this cool package here. It's called Ultimate Date Night, where you get a 30-minute helicopter ride over the Sonoran Desert, as well as dinner for two.
What a cool experience. Now, obviously, people are like, well, why? How can they do the helicopter? It's right next door to what?
That's what's so cool about this, is it's not just the meal, it's the atmosphere. It's right next to Falcon Field, so you're having planes, helicopters taking off and landing, right behind you.
Awesome. So not just the food, the views, and of course, helicopter rides. All right, we are back at the property. Kevin, let's talk specs.
Well, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5-car garage, single level, 1,816 square feet.
And that's pretty rare to have that 2.5-car garage. You don't see that a ton, but I'm sure it becomes very handy, especially if you need extra storage. Now, as far as upgrades go, some big ticket items were recently done to the home.
We do. We have a new water heater, as well as a brand new 30-year plus roof.
All right, let's talk about floor plan. Now, as you enter into this one, what can they expect?
Vaulted ceilings right as you enter. Huge, great room.
Mm-hmm.
You can go to the left, you've got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths in that direction. You go to the right, you have a dining area, another little family room, as well as large kitchen and a breakfast area.
Awesome. And then last but not least, the 4th bedroom. Why is it a little bit more unique on this particular floor plan?
Well, on this one, the master has its own access to the backyard, but one of the other bedrooms does as well. And what's even cooler is it's to the side yard, so it's really private.
Awesome. So if you're working from home or if you have an extra kid, it's a perfect location as well. We are in the backyard. Kevin, let's talk about the actual specs of the backyard.
Well, let's talk about the specs of the whole yard. It's just under 9,000 square feet. It is a corner lot, north-south facing, and as you can see right behind me is an RV gate.
Great. And now, if I'm a car lover and I like to tinker around, work on stuff, why is this my dream yard?
Well, this is going to be very rare anywhere in the valley, but this one happens to have a mechanics pit. And so what that means is you could work on your car out here, and it does have power running to it as well. So if you need power tools while you're working on the car, you're good to go.
Nice. And then last but not least, right behind me is actually a shed?
I think it's like a shed that's on steroids. Mm-hmm. It's about 200 square feet. It does have power and AC running to it. What I really like about that option is that you can have it to where you want to do crafts, you want to do handiwork, or if you need a home office that's not inside with the kids or dogs or distractions or whatever, you have a space that you can go to outside of the home.
Okay, let's talk trees.
I know, I love talking about trees. So we got palm trees back here, we got a couple navel orange trees, and a lemon tree right behind me.
Awesome, and they're in really good shape. They're actually producing a lot of fruit.
They're definitely, you could feed the whole neighborhood off these trees.
And then last but not least, the obvious.
Oh, I totally didn't see it. We have a beautiful pool with the brick pavers around. Talked to the owner, she said that she did them about 3 years ago. It just adds this extra level of class to it. And as you can see, the pool is pristine. It is PebbleTech. It's got the cleaner in it. And it's got this light system that changes multiple colors. And that light system, those are not cheap.
No, they're not. And one of the nice parts about this yard, and just like with a lot of the older homes, is there's plenty of room to entertain.
There is. You really have a couple different areas. You have the pool area, you have the covered patio along the back, and they added the gutters back there to keep the rain off the patio area, which is brilliant. You've got the mechanics pit area, you have the shed. It's just a lot of space out here.
So for setting up a showing on the property, what is the easiest way?
Well, Phil likes to make it really difficult, but I prefer if we make it super simple. So we're going to have a call 480 305-6688 or go to our website, gosoldhomes.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, please let us know. And until next time, have a great day.